Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to fix in power button not appear, turn off or turn on or restart Oppo A31. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Oppo A31 and you somehow or some cases if you are going to press this power button, it's not appear to switch off or restart your device. This is might be happen to you. Even when myself I brought this phone, I happen same things. Whenever I want to just switch off my device, it's not switch off. Every time if I press the power button, long press, it's appear Google Assistant. So it's maybe really very and I'm just strange, I'm just surprised this how it's happened. You also might be happen same things, but this is the way I just tried hard and I just find out these things how to fix, and I decide why not to share with you guys. Maybe you also have the same issue. So in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is to go in your device settings section. After click on settings section, to click scroll down, and then you will find here something say convention tools. After click over there, you will find something say here press and hold the power button for 0.5 seconds to wake up Google Assistant. So this is what happened actually in my phone. So if I click this power off, and then if I click this on off, if I go back, and now if I long press my power button, this is going to be appear switch off or restart your device. So this is a simple silly things accidentally happen in my phone, and you might be also happen. So you can easily fix this issue with follow this trick. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.